So when we take a look at this, you've got your to-do list of things that you want to include. I'm going to throw the first couple in there. Contact an employment lawyer. Second is going to be work out. And third, we're going to throw in there is apply for EI, employment insurance. So we've got those all as to-dos by default. And remember, you can go back and color these. If you wanted to change the color, all you have to do is go into the data validation rule. Let's say to do is gray, in progress is going to be more of a yellow, complete is going to be a bright green, pending is also going to be a bit of like an orangey red, and then blocked is going to be full on red. And with a, there we go, apply to all other dropdowns, and you can see what the options are. So let's say you were blocked by something, or you had something pending, you can see it in a flash, and if you're blocked, you know what that means. The best thing you can do is go over to the requests tab, put that in there, and see who you can make a request of to have this all work out. So we've got the to-do list, the job funnel list. Again, you can set the status here. Feel free to use your own color palette. This one will definitely be an important thing to do. So to apply, we can probably keep as gray, but when we get into recruiter interviews, you'll likely want some combination of every variation of green in there to make it nice and pretty. So we're going to do recruiter interview is green. First interview is still the light green. Second interview, let's also call that light green, but then let's get into third and fourth interview is going to be the dark green. Take-home challenge because you're moving through the funnel. And then offer received, you want that as bright as you can possibly get. So we're going to customize that. We're going to go to like neon green for the text or the background. No, the background. Let's do the background as neon green. As bright as we can get it because you want that to stand out. And then the text is going to be more of like a dark green. There we go. So you can see the preview up here and you can fill in the rest of those details. And remember, refer a friend is a huge, huge valuable benefit. That way you can play as a team and everybody that you got laid off with can start to find a job. And heck, maybe you'll work together again. So we're going to apply that to all of the options here. Priority, we're going to reset this to a high priority. Medium priority is going to be the yellow. We're going to do a light green for low and then keep not applicable as gray and apply to all. So now all of these are set up to be part of this lovely, colorful spectrum of status and priority that we need. Interview answers. There are hundreds of lists of interview questions out on the internet. Feel free to grab your favorites, figure out the answers, and then add additional details or examples. Same thing with interview questions that you want to ask. Do your research, ask your friends. This one's big. Get those requests out there. Ask people too. And I'm just going to throw these in here. Review your resume, review your LinkedIn, and ask for opportunities. If you've got a request of people, feel free to put it in the comments. I'm sure somebody will pick up an interview here and there or review your resume here and there. By all means, let's play as a community. Let's get out there and make a difference. And good luck to all of you who are currently looking for jobs.
Like and subscribe if you learned something. And remember, anything worth doing well is worth doing badly first.